Building apps without code in 2025, Bubble and Glide are two of the biggest names, but which one's best for you? Let's find out. First, let's talk about Bubble overview. Bubble offers full control with drag and drop UI workflows and database setups, ideal for web apps that need complex logic or user accounts. Now let's talk about Glide. So we moved here. Glide is super easy, perfect for creating first mobile apps from Google Sheets or Excel fast. So let's talk about pros. Let's go for the Bubble first. So pros, it's fully customizable, great for startups or MVPs, advanced logic and integration. So for the cause, there are steeper learning curve and slower performance on mobile. Now let's talk about Glide and its pros. So for the first, it's super beginner friendly, and it has fast mobile app creation, real-time updates from Google Sheets. And as for the cons, there are limited customization and can feel reservative for big apps. So I would prefer to use Bubble if you need power and more flexibility. Go with Glide if speed, simplicity, and mobile first matters more. Like and subscribe for more tech comparisons, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching.